Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change age on Apple ID account. First you just need to open your settings. Now you'll find the Apple account at the very beginning. You just need to tap on it. Now from here make sure that you're at the right Apple ID account. Now tap on that personal information here. Now from here you'll find the name of your Apple account, and you'll find the birth date that you have set, and this is the age of your birth date. So you can just tap on it, and from here you can just select the month and the year and the date that according to your needs. Now you can just tap on that month and year button here. Now you will find a scroller for a month and another one for a year. Now from here I'm going to choose I'm going to change it just like this, and after that I'm going to change the date from here, and then after adding or just changing the age on Apple account, you can just tap on this done button to save the changes. Tap on done, and here you can see I have just changed the age on my Apple ID account. So that's how you can do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.